Meaning of horribly.
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 Horribly. The term horribly typically describes something that is done in a manner that is extremely unpleasant or offensive. It connotes a sense of disgust or repulsion towards the behavior or action being referred to. When something is done horribly, it usually results in a negative outcome or consequence. For example, if a meal is cooked horribly, it may be inedible and leave an unpleasant aftertaste. Similarly, if a movie is acted horribly, it may be unwatchable and leave the audience disappointed. Overall, the term horribly indicates a level of failure or disappointment in regard to a particular action or behavior.